As you may have seen, I just reached 10 years in my business, and so I'm going to be sharing 10 lessons that I've learned over the 10 years. So first lesson is to not underestimate your immediate network of friends, family. So for example, when I first started my business, one thing I did was I created a newsletter and I just contacted people that I knew. Maybe I met them in an organization or association, and I sent them an email and I said, hey, this is what I'm starting. I'm starting a company. We're going to do SEO, help companies with Google rankings, get more visibility online, and also speaking engagements. And people actually responded. So I got my first clients that way. Still got some of these clients today as far as the people that I reached out with. And not only that, and it could be simple. It could just be, hey, how's it going? I know we haven't talked in a while, but I just want to let you know, here's what I'm doing. And these days, it doesn't even have to be just email marketing. It could be LinkedIn. It could be social media. It could be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Wherever your network is, you can send them a quick message, let them know. Because a lot of times, people know that you're in business, but they may not know exactly what you do. So that's when you want to explain, let them know exactly this is what you offer, so that whenever they need that service or they hear somebody needed that service, they're going to reach out to you specifically. And even when it comes to family and friends, so it could be a brother, sister, it could be a spouse, it could be a mother, father. They need to know exactly what you do. And once they know that, then they can refer them to maybe other family members or relatives. And it makes it a lot easier because these are referrals that happen. So referrals are one of the best ways to get business, from the best ways to connect, because they want to do business with people that they trust. People that they trust and people that they can connect with. If they don't have that, then it's going to be a longer sales process usually, where you got to convince them and they have to approve things. It's a longer process. But referrals, they already are comfortable with you. They already know what's going on. They already have an idea of what can be beneficial for their brand or whatever you're trying to offer. So again, look out and talk to your friends and family. Let them know what you do. And just because they don't need the service, they can let people know that other people might need the service, and from there your business can grow. So again, this has happened numerous times, year after year, where family, friends, and immediate network are the ones that help get customers because they know what you do.